Alright, let's look at solving equations when we have to divide the same number to both sides. And remember, whenever we're solving an equation, we want a variable equals a number. Okay. Now, to solve an equation, in front of the a, we want to get rid of the 4. It's 4 times a. So since it's 4 times, the way we can get rid of the 4 is we can divide by 4. And this cancels the 4's out and leaves us with just the a. And since we divided 4 to the left hand side, we have to do the same thing to the right hand side and divide it by 4. So the 4's cancel and we're left with a equals 11. Let's take a look at another one. We have 27 equals negative 9p. We want to get rid of the negative 9 in front of the p. So to do that, we're going to divide both sides by negative 9. Okay, and this lets us cancel the negative 9's, so we're left with p equals, and then 27 divided by negative 9, a positive divided by a negative is a negative 3. And there's our answer. Here's our answer on the first one. Let's take a look at some more. Now remember, we want to combine like terms on one side if we can. We want to do that first. So we've got negative 28 equals, and then we have negative 6n plus 10n. These are like terms, so negative 6n plus 10n is 4n. And then we want to get rid of the 4 in front of the n, so we're going to divide each side by 4, and this cancels the 4's, so we're left with n equals negative 7. And there's our answer. Let's take a look at another one. We want to combine like terms. So we have like terms over here, p minus 14p. So that's going to give us negative 13p equals, and then we have negative 2 plus 18 is 16. 16 minus 3 is 13. Then we want to get rid of the negative 13 in front of the p, so we're going to divide by negative 13. So we need to divide the other side by negative 13, and this cancels out the negative 13's, so we're left with p equals negative 1. Alright, now let's take a look at one more. We have negative k equals negative 12. Now this negative sign in front of the k, that's like a negative 1. So to get rid of a negative 1, well, if we do negative 1 divided by negative 1, that's positive 1, so it'll make the k positive. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1, so we get k equals 12. And there's our answer. And that's all of these problems. This is solving equations by dividing the same number to both sides.